Huh? Chanel. The Chanel Inimitable Waterproof. I always feel like I'm drunk when I say inimitable. Inimitable. Because it's just, whoa, it's hard to say inimitable. See, it sounds funny. I am going to go ahead and load a little extra on here. And on here. Always squint when you're doing your lower lashes because it will raise them up and you won't be as likely to hit the skin underneath. Yeah, y'all, I really do like this. It almost seems like, this reminds me of another mascara. It almost seems like it has a blue hue, which some mascaras have done to make them look better. I will also tell you, considering this is waterproof, it usually dries really fast, so you got to really hurry on adding that second coat. I'm feeling like it's drying, but not so dried out so fast that I am messing up by coming back through this second coat. I feel like I'm okay with it. Y'all, this looks really good. And I feel like I'm getting in there real good, too. Because this little comb, it's so easy to maneuver. I would say this is an A+ product, y'all. I'm glad I got 2 of them. And I'm definitely going to be using this. I like that a lot. I wonder how hard it's going to be to get it off and how well it's going to set for the day. So there's the product. That's the end result. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Do you like how it looks? I have no idea where we are on time because without my glasses, I can't see the timer. What does it say? Is it 20? Even with it, it's hard for me to see. 26. So that means we are now in part 3. I'm just going to keep going. It'll be part 3. So, with all these new products, I do want to promote them. No, I'm not, again, I'm not sponsored by anybody. But I feel like these are really great products that, these especially are very affordable. This is the Mega Length by Wet n Wild and the Breakup Proof Liner by Wet n Wild. This is a waterproof mascara. This is a waterproof liner. And these are a wonderful pair. And they're nice and skinny, so they'd fit in your purse too if you need to touch up. But because they're so good, I have not needed to touch up even my liner during the day. And if this mascara is as good as it's feeling like it is, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Okay, let's see. Oh, the other thing, again, that I wanted to just reiterate that I'm really liking is the L'Oreal Revitalift Pure Retinol. This is to overturn cell growth on your face, and it'll keep it nice and smooth. It helps with wrinkles and shrinks pore size. But not under the eyes. Only use the Revitalift eye. It doesn't have a name. This under your eyes, this on your face. Don't mix. And then, wherever you put this on top. This is the moisturizer. I gotta tell you, I feel like this product doesn't necessarily need this product, but I did use it today. My face looks almost like I have oily skin. I look so moist. But it's not bad. It's just I don't look so dried out like I usually do. But if you want to get some color on, and if you're going to go outside, really, even the sun's rays come through the house, you always should have SPF on. And this is the product I'm kind of going back to from Chanel, the CC Cream. And again, this is 20 Beige. It's got SPF 30, and it does work. And then for my concealer, I like the Rimmel Match Perfection 230 Fair, or Fair Light. And again, you can get that at your local drugstore. I can't get this at a local drugstore, or my lipstick that I love, which is the Soft Rose lipstick. And it has the lipstick on one end and the gel on the other. It just lasts all day. I love it. You know what I did forget? I forgot, and I want to try this out when I order my, I need to order me some lipstick from Chanel. I'm going to try out their blush. Y'all know that I use the Rose Bronze blush, which is Rose Blonde. It's 02 is the number. But I heard that their pink is what every makeup artist has, is the Chanel. It's a pink. I don't even know the name of it, but I will know it when I see it. And they say it is like the blush that everybody wants. Why do I not have but one blush brush in all these brushes? Can I show you this? I'm going to show you just how sick I am. I'm just kidding. About brushes and all these brushes. I don't see. Look at this. This is a Pampered Chef utensil, Lazy Susan. Look at this thing. All those brushes, and none of them, well, maybe that one. That's a more focused blush brush. Only one blush brush.